Hulk smash! Hulk smash! Hulk smash! Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Dark Raging here, and today I'm mod. Yeah, a mod. It's called Superhero. It's made by Electric Games. If you want to check his YouTube channel, I will just leave his channel in the description down below. So yeah, guys, it's called Superheroes mod. Every year maybe, and the new superhero is here. Yeah, let's check it out. I just checked this once to start the vid before I start the vid. So yeah, let's try. So this one is Flash. This first superhero is called Flash. Yeah, let's try Flash. See that? Yeah. So yeah, Flash got these buffs. They called speed, haste, strength, jump boost, and regeneration. Yeah, Flash got these effects and buffs if you create this, and yeah, Flash is super speed of course like there, and I wonder he can beat crap some in the mobs, I guess. Yeah, let's try it in zombie pigman there. Let's beat the crap down there. Wait, hey zombie. Oh, I'm super fast. Oh, see that? Flash just one hit that zombie pigman. So yeah, it's pretty cool suit. It's called Flash, and yeah, if you want to download this mod, guys, just go to Google Play and search mod, and you will find there. This one is Nightcrawlers. I don't know who's Nightcrawlers. So yeah, it's Nightcrawlers boots and gears and other stuff. So yeah, let's try. So technically Nightcrawler has these buffs too. It has speed 3, strength 3, and jump boost. Better by regeneration. But he has this teleportation. But Nightcrawlers have a teleportation device. It can teleport you there if you will face there and click tap this. You will teleport here, and you will tap this again. You'll teleport here. So yeah, that's so simple, and let's try his sword. Let's try the zombie pigman. Oh my gosh, that's the zombie pigman. Let's try it out, guys, and kaboom! Kaboom! See that? It's just two hits only. Yeah, let's try it again. Let's go there and boom, and boom. Yeah, it's two hits. So yeah, Nightcrawler gear is so amazing too. It's so freaking cool, and because there is a teleportation device there, and yeah, let's check another one. So this one is Martian Manhunter chest and gears here. Yeah, so let's try it out, guys. And wow, technically, guys, these buffs here is strength, speed, jump boost, regeneration, or resistance. And guys, Martian Manhunter has a transparent. I don't know what this is. I don't know what's the use of this, but yeah, I'm sorry guys, I don't know what the use of this. And this is the transmitter here. You can go invis. Every time you hold this, you will go invis. And this is the Martian Manhunter fly. If you tap that again, it will activate, and you can fly. You can fly, of course, right there. You can fly there up where you go here, and yeah, that's Manhunter gear. So yeah, let's proceed to the another superhero. Let's throw that. Oh wait, I didn't try Manhunter super effect. Wait, I didn't try his strength. Man, actually it's two hits in Manhunter. It's only two hits in a zombie pigman. So yeah, just check this out. It's pretty cool, guys. And yeah, let's try another one. So this one is Wolverine. You know, I know Wolverine is my idol, like there. And she has a claw there, like there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, right there. The glass. So yeah, let's try the strength of Wolverine with this, and the buffs you get is this speed 3, strength 4, jump boost 3, and regeneration 3. And you'll try this zombie because yeah, it's just 2 hits again and until it died. So now let's try Hawk. Let's try Hawk. Oh no, let's get the wizard. Let's try Hawk. Yeah, let's try Hawk. It gets you. Wait. It. Wait. Wait. It gets you strength 1, regeneration 3, resistant and 4. So yeah, let's try that one out there. Minutes left. Oh my gosh, it's just one shot. So yeah, pretty absolutely guys. Hook armor. This is so amazing. Cool. It's so amazing because it just one hit zombie pigments and other mobs. So yeah, let's proceed to another one. This is Spider-Man. This is my most favorite. This is my most favorite mod in the game because look at this. Look at this. So yeah guys, this is my favorite here is Spider-Man because this is freaking cool here. Look at that armor there. And yeah, it gets also speed 4, strength 2, jump boost 4. And I I like this I like this weapon of Spider-Man here. It's called Spiderweb. If you tap the ground there, yeah, see that? It can trap your enemy there. It's so freaking amazing, right? And let's try to trap this. Let's go put that there and that there and that and that there. And yeah, but you cannot break this fast. Let's try to break this fast. No, it can. So yeah, this is my favorite one character in this mod. So yeah, check that out and check also Electric Gamer. It's that right, Gamer? It's Gamer. Yeah, it's Electric Games channel. Oh my gosh, I just screenshot that and yeah, let's try now Deadpool. This is the new Marvel um this is new here. It's the new character here. And this Deadpool and he gets all the buffs. I think it's resistance, regeneration, jump boost, strength, haste, and speed. So yeah, it get that, and he got this Deadpool's katana. Look at this. I have a freaking katana, and this Deadpool's teleporter. It's like a shuriken, but they make it a teleporter. But if you tap there, you will teleport, and yeah, you can go. You, you can run easily in mobs. If you want to fight mobs, you can catch them pretty easily in there. And let's try the katana in the mob. Yeah, let's try. Oh yeah, it's just 3 hits in the zombie pigman, but it's pretty cool I guess because it can teleport this. I'm so freaking fun in this teleportation. So yeah. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this. Mm, please leave the please leave some like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, comment down below what mod I will use next, and maybe Lucky Block or anything. So yeah, and this is just a junk, so never mind, it's just because it's full of junk. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this video for today, and yeah, please like and subscribe for more video upcoming next. So guys, I'm gonna see you all guys all later. Bye. Peace.